Achieving a flawless base is essential for any makeup look. Follow this step-by-step guide to create a smooth and polished complexion. Begin with a clean, moisturized face. Use a hydrating moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Allow it to absorb fully before moving on to the next step. Choose a primer based on your skin concerns, mattifying for oily skin, hydrating for dry skin, or smoothing for textured skin. Apply a small amount across your face, focusing on areas that require extra attention. This helps create a smooth canvas and prolongs makeup wear. Select a foundation that matches your skin tone. You can opt for liquid, cream, or powder forms. Using a foundation brush, sponge, or your fingers, apply the foundation in thin layers, starting from the center of your face and blending outwards. Ensure a seamless finish by blending into your jawline and neck. For any blemishes, dark circles, or redness, apply concealer on top of your foundation. Use a small, precise brush or your fingertip to gently dab the product onto problem areas, then blend edges to eliminate harsh lines. To keep shine at bay and set your foundation, lightly dust a translucent setting powder over your entire face or just on areas that tend to get oily. Use a fluffy powder brush for an even application. To add dimension, apply bronzer to the hollows of your cheeks, the edges of your forehead, and along your jawline. This creates warmth and structure. Follow up with a touch of blush on the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. Finish your base makeup with a highlighter on the high points of your face, tops of your cheekbones, brow bones, the bridge of your nose, and your cupid's bow. This adds a luminous touch and enhances your features beautifully. As a final step, spritz a setting spray over your face to lock everything in place and achieve a more natural skin-like finish. This step helps your makeup last longer throughout the day. Always choose products that suit your skin type for the best results. Blend seamlessly for a natural look. Don't forget to clean your brushes regularly to avoid breakouts. With this step-by-step guide, you're now ready to conquer your base makeup like a pro. Enjoy the transformation. Follow, like, and ring the bell for more beauty and fashion tips.